2 workers are dead after being crushed to death at the XPO Logistics distribution center in Lockport, New York. The 2 workers were crushed to death by about 9,000 pounds of Corian, a brand of solid surface material from DuPont that is used primarily for countertop installations. According to investigators, at around 1:30 a.m. last Monday, 38-year-old Christopher Klosin and 62-year-old Roger Mangine were unloading 11 slabs of Corian, which weighed about 800 pounds each, off of a truck. According to the local sheriff's office, co-workers didn't see it or hear it happen, and it's unclear as to why the slabs fell on the workers. Chief Deputy Michael Dunn with the Niagara County Sheriff's Office told the local news station that the slabs were fastened to the wall of a trailer on the loading dock, and investigators don't know why they all collapsed at once. The 2 were working with another crew that did attempt to use a forklift to try and get the Corian slabs off of them, but as Dunn says, the hard part with the forklift is that you have 2 forks that go underneath, and if you have slabs of concrete on a person, you don't have a whole lot of room to work. IEN has requested additional information about the accident, but has yet to receive any additional details. Mark Smith is the local economic development coordinator. He told the Buffalo News that he has toured the facility and insists that XPO takes safety seriously. OSHA is currently investigating the accident, and XPO did issue a statement expressing its deepest sympathies to the family and co-workers. I'm David Manti. This is IEN Now.